Pretty big difference, guys. Okay, it's gonna be a lot brighter. So driving at night now, it's gonna look great. All right, guys, here we are. Fog lights, regular daytime running lights, and it lights up the road really good. I'm loving it. Thumbs up on these LEDs. This is during the daytime, but you can see there versus there. What looks way better, okay? Way better. All right, guys, I've got a 2015 Subaru Forester fog light here. I've got a rock chip that I had. I just kind of put some black tape on it, electric tape. Anyways, I'm gonna switch this bulb out. So all I did was go underneath, show you here. I just went underneath, pulled out this piece right here, just kind of, it flexes. Okay, so that flexes, you go in there, reach in there, and you pull this out. Okay, so this comes out. It says it's an H11. Let's check this out. LED lighting, RCJ. Okay, so this company sent it to me for free to do a review on it. I'm gonna put these in. We're gonna run them, see how they look. Right now, these are just regular standard fog lights. They're kind of like yellowish. I'll turn on the light here so I can show you what they look like. Hello. Hi. Oh, I'm gonna install some lights. Okay, so that's what they look like. They're just yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna switch those out. I've got LEDs in here. I might switch those out too, so we'll see. Unplug this. Okay. All right, so it is the H11 right here. So I've got the H11 right there. You see that H11? We're gonna plug that in. Should be super bright. Wow, look at the difference, guys.
Go up, walk up.
That thing's way brighter. Okay, we're gonna put that back in a second, but just wanted to show you guys the difference between the yellow and that bright one there. I'll show you guys a nighttime picture of it as well, or a video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snap that back in, turn it. I think it's right to tight, left to loose. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back in. And these RCJs, light your way. Liking them so far, nice and bright. All right, so we're gonna compare this side. It's looking really good. Ignore that little electric tape there. I just had a little crack. Compare to this side. Look at that difference. So this is during the daytime, but you can see there versus there. What looks way better, okay? Way better. All right, guys, I'm in the Subaru Forester right now. And guys, shoot, I gotta put the seatbelt on. But if you look, see how bright that is? That's with the LED fog lights. Hold on, let me get my, hold on here. All right, guys, here I am showing you the LEDs for the fog lights that I just installed. Pay attention to the video. It's gonna show you how to install them and what kind I'm using. It makes a big difference, guys. All right, guys, here we are. Fog lights, regular daytime running lights, and it lights up the road really good. I'm loving it. Thumbs up on these LEDs.